Willow wood extracted from the willow tree is cut into particular shape to make the blade of the cricket bat. Out of the cuts made from the tree, highest quality cuts are selected. A cutting machine is used for this purpose. The piece of wood that shall be used to make a cricket bat should be free of cracks to allow the shock absorption. The rough ends of the trees are removed and the fine blades that are produced by the cutting process, these blades they are called as clefts. The cleft meat are left to air dry for around a year to remove any moisture left in the wood. It's a crucial process, it provides better balance to the wood. After air drying, clefts are cut down into approximate shape and size of the bat for the upcoming fine detailing. A round, long cylindrical shape is given to a piece of wood to form the handle of the bat. A V-shaped slit is made into the top of the blade. The handle is pushed into the V-shaped notch. Adhesive glue is used to attach the two pieces together. The clefts are put through a rolling machine as per the shape of the blade. This gives the bat blade basic structural integrity and compresses the wood fibers. The bat is finally shined using a compound wax after completing the air drying process. It gives the glossy appearance to the bat. Different cutting machines are used to give extra designing or shaping depending upon the requirement of the bat. A thread is fixed all over the blade and handle junction up to the end of the handle to secure the junction using an adhesive. Branding come into play now. Different brand stickers are stuck onto the blade of the bat in this process. Now the blades are covered with a rubber band to give a better grip.